All right, first video from this location. It's going to be a westbound Norfolk Southern. Looks like hopper cars in the front. 2 locomotives in the front. Hopper cars going into some steel cars. Another hopper. Look at that lumber. Empty rail car going into more hopper cars. This looks like it might be a good one. Saw this one. It's been coming for a while. When you get a straight path to see the track, you can see for a long way. I'm not going to post this location. I'm just on the outskirts of Toledo, west side, southwest side, and it is an active, very active Norfolk Southern line. There is a spot you can pull off to the public, but I just, for intents and purposes, I just don't want to give the location of this one. Probably won't be too hard to figure out. See if it's got a DPU on the end or not. It doesn't look like it. There you go. Good Norfolk Southern mixed freight line. All right, hope you enjoy. God bless. Remember, like and subscribe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click on notifications. Hope you enjoy.